students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinith, class 10th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that 11th chapter trigonometry, exercise 11.1, first, second, third bits. See, before going in to start exercise 11.1, first of all you have to refer these formulas and by heart it. If you not understand these formulas, in previous video I uploaded to understand formulas, so please refer that video. Now let us start exercise 11.1. See here, exercise 11.1, first one, in the right angle triangle ABC 8 cm, 15 cm, 17 cm are the lengths of AB, BC, CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A, tan A. See what is given here. First of all we have to write that triangle ABC is a right angle. Right angle is nothing but the triangle which contain 90 degrees. The name itself is telling us right angle. I am a right angle. That means the triangle is containing 90 degrees. What is the length given here? AB 8 cm, BC 15 cm, CA 17 cm is given. With these given measurements we have to draw a triangle that should be right angle. See here, ABC, see this is a right angle. See, angle ABC is 90 degrees, so it is a right angle triangle. AB 8 cm, BC 15 cm, CA 17 cm. What is the angle given to find here? Sin A, cos A, tan A. No. What is the angle given here? A. So we have to point out the A and we have to write which is opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. See, what is the opposite side to A, angle A? See, this is BC is opposite side and adjacent side means beside. Opposite side, beside, what is the side there here? AB is adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is nothing but largest side in a triangle is called as hypotenuse. See, AC is greater than AB and BC. So this is an hypotenuse. BC is opposite side and AB is adjacent side. See, what is the formula for sin A? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side given here? 15 cm. Hypotenuse 17 cm. 15 cm by 17 cm. Centimeter. Cancel. 15 by 17 is our answer. Next, what is said to find out? Cos A. Cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent given here? 8 cm. Hypotenuse 17 cm. 8 cm by 17 cm is nothing but 8 by 70. Next, tan A. Tan A opposite side by adjacent side. See, what is opposite side given here? 15 cm. Adjacent side 8 cm. Centimeter cancel. 15 by 8 is our answer. See, this is our first problem. Next, second problem, the sides of a right angle triangle PQ are PQ 7 cm, PR 25 cm and angle Q is 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. See, what is given in this question we have to write first of all. What is given here? Right angle triangle. See, this question also based on right angle triangle, but Q is 90 degrees, PQ 7 cm, PR 25 cm. We have to find here tan P minus tan R. Question mark. Beside this given, first of all we have to draw a triangle based on this given matter in the question. See, this is a triangle PQR. See, but what is given here? Q angle should contain 90 degrees. See here, Q angle is containing 90 degrees and PQ 7 cm, PR 25 cm. You know that this is a hypotenuse because it is the largest side in this triangle. See, in this question he is not mentioned what is the side of, what is the centimeter measured. Here Q are not given, so we have to find out. How we can find out? By the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem here? Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse, what is given here? 25 cm. 25 square means 25 whole square is equals to, see, these two are sides. What is the one side mentioned here? 7 square. 7 centimeter means 7. Side square means 7 square. Plus side square. As it is, we have to write it. So, no, not mentioned no. So, we have to write as it is. 25 square means 625. 7 square means 49. As it is, we have to write side square. See, 625 is greater than 49. So, we have to send 49 to the LHS side. That means side square is equals to 625 minus 49. Side square is equals to 576. We have to write this 576 in the form of squares. 576 is equals to 24 into 24 is equals to 24 square. See, side square is equals to 24 square. Side is equals to, if the square will went means RHS side, it become root term. Root 24 whole square. Square root cancel. Side is equals to 24. What is the side here? QR. One side we have find out right now. So what is the side here? QR is equals to 24 centimeter. What is the angles given here? Angle P and angle R given. So two angles are given here. So we have to draw two triangles. See, PQR, as it is, we have to draw this triangle and we have to write the QR centimeter 24 centimeter, PQ 7 centimeter, PR 25 centimeter. We already know that PR is an hypotenuse. What is the angle given here? P no. By point outing P, we have to write opposite side and adjacent side. See, opposite to P, QR is an opposite side. B side is adjacent side. Next, as it is, we have to draw another triangle. See, with same measurements, this is an hypotenuse. In this triangle, we have to point out the R. By point outing R, see, opposite side is PQ, adjacent side is QR. In this triangle only, this is an opposite side and this is an adjacent side. In this triangle, this is an opposite and this is an adjacent side. Now what we have to find out first? Tan P and tan R value we have to find out and we have to do subtraction. What is the formula for tan P? Opposite by adjacent side. What is the angle given here? Angle P. So we have to look this triangle only. We have to forget this triangle. Opposite means 24 centimeter. Adjacent means 7 centimeter. Centimeter gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 24 by 7. Tan R means we have to forget this triangle and we have to look only this triangle. Opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite given here? 7 centimeter. Adjacent 24 centimeter. 7 by 24. Centimeter gets cancelled. 7 by 24 is our answer. What is say to find out as tan P minus tan R? No. See here, tan P minus tan R. What is the tan P value? 24 by 7. Tan minus. Tan R is equals to 7 by 24. Now we have to do cross multiplication. 24 into 24 minus 7 into 7 by 7 into 24. See here, cross multiplication and minus we have to write and we have to do cross multiplication here again by 7 into 24. See, 24 into 24 is nothing but 576 minus 7 into 7 is nothing but 49 by 7 into 24 168 is equals to 576 minus 49 is nothing but 527 by 168. This is our second problem. Next one, third one, in a right angle triangle ABC with a right angle at B, in which A is equals to 24 units and B is equals to 25 units and angle BAC is theta. This is known as theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. See what is given here. ABC is a right angle triangle, but at B is a right angle. That means angle B contain 90 degrees and A is equals to 24 units, B is equals to 25 units. See which is greater in this? 25 units is greater. So we have to assume this is an hypotenuse. See, we have to base it on this. We have to draw a triangle ABC. B is 90 degrees. See here, B is 90 degrees. See, 25 units is greater, no, so you have to write this on this side. AC is 25 units and 24 units as BC. See here, we have to write 24 units. Here AB we have to find out. See, why should write here only 24 units? See, what is a given here? A is equals to 24 units now. What is the opposite to A? BC. We have to write here 24 units. This is the biggest side, so we have to write here 25 units. And BAC is equals to theta. Angle BAC. BAC means this angle. A means theta now. So we have to write here theta. See, what is here? Side is not mentioned. Now we have to find out the side. What he mentioned here? Hypotenuse and one side. Another side is not mentioned. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. What is the hypotenuse here? 24 units. 24 square is equals to side square plus, again one side means 24 square. 625 is equals to, 625 means 25 into 25. 25 square is nothing but 625 is equals to side square plus 24 square means 576. See here 625 is greater than 576. So we have to send 576 on the LHS side. 625 minus 576 is equals to side square. By minus subtracting we get 49. 49 is equals to side square. 49 can be written as 7 into 7, 7 square. 7 square is equals to side square. See here, if we send square to the LHS side, it become root. Root 7 whole square means square root cancel here. Side is equals to 7. That means this side is nothing but 7 units. What is said to find out as cos theta and tan theta? See here, we have to find out this cos theta and tan theta. See, based on these, see this only diagram we have to draw once again. See, theta angle is same, so we have to draw only one triangle. See, one triangle with same measurements. What is a, after doing Pythagoras theorem we get AB has 7 units. See, A angle has theta no. By point outing this theta only, we have to find what is opposite side, adjacent side. For this angle A, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. This is the largest side. What is said to find out cos theta, tan theta no? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent here? 7 units. Hypotenuse 25 units. Units cancel, 7 by 25. Next, tan theta means opposite by adjacent. What is opposite given here? 24 units. Adjacent 7 units. Units cancel here. 24 by 7 is our answer. See here, this is our answer. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon. Whenever I keep the video, you will get the notification. Thank you for watching.